So my claim was, does counting sheep actually help you fall asleep? And I thought that counting sheep does not help you fall asleep. And that's what I investigated on. And so my first piece of evidence was from scientists at Oxford University conducted an experiment where they split a group of insomniacs into two groups. One in which the subjects were to count sheep to help them fall asleep, and the second in which they would picture like pleasant settings instead. It turned out that those who counted sheep took longer to fall asleep than those who pictured pretty settings, such as relaxing beaches. So the people that pictured relaxing beaches fell asleep 20 minutes faster than those who tried to count sheep. That was from the New York Times. And my second piece of evidence was from the Huffington Post. They asked an animal scientist from the USDA sheep experiment station, who actually counts sheep for a living in real life, whether or not they believe counting sheep helped them fall asleep. And they said, I tried counting sheep once and no, it did not help me fall asleep. It's hard to imagine sheep jumping a fence because it's not something that they do unless you want them to. Unless you don't want them to. Trying to imagine sheep stimulates parts of the brain that processes information, keeping it active, proving that it will actually make it harder to fall asleep and soothing and soothe your mind, like imagining a pretty vacation area would, because it doesn't require significant thought processes. So because you're activating certain parts of your brain, it's keeping your brain more active and more engaged. So that's what keeps you awake.